Hello. Are you? Kaya pa ako walking in the streets of Rotorua and finding a spot for our little picnic for today. Say hi, Jaden boy.
Hi.
Ay.
My sister and her family are living in Rotorua, New Zealand. It is a town set near Rotorua Lake, located in the northern islands of New Zealand. Rotorua is one of New Zealand's most iconic destinations, renowned for its geothermal wonders, rich Maori culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. For today, we decided to go near the lake and have a little picnic for our family. Fun fact about this lake is that it was formed through a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. The lake stands now as the crater of the volcano. Totoo nga no guys, na kapag may kasama kang mga bata, iba talaga yung saya na nadadala ng simpleng picnic lang, and then you have your own food. Aside from tipid, medyo mas intimate siya. Also, we may look chill in that video pero sobrang lamig niyan. I just took off my jacket because kailangan kong kumain.
We're eating at the lakeside because hindi malimar. Nagkamahalan ng mga pagkain dito. Correct. The drinks cost around 27 NZD. Magkano yun? 900 pesos. Drinks pa lang yun.
Pero mga pagkaon yun yung mahal.
Kaya, baon-baon din.
The kids love playing at the lakeside. Nakakatuwa nga kasi less screen time ang mga batang ito kasi nga may mga kalaro. Nagkakaintindihan sila pero paminsan-minsan nag-aaway rin. You know, mga bata.
Anika!
Share ko lang guys na my sister came to New Zealand 6 years ago and we've also been planning to come here to visit her 6 years ago. Kaso you know, life happened, things that needed immediate attention came first. At sabi nga nila, di ba? God has a perfect timing. At ngayon siguro yung perfect timing na yon. Kahit nakakapagod na may kasama kang mga bata kapag pumapasyal, ibang saya talaga ang nabibigay when you're traveling with children. Lalo na pag toddlers kasi masyado silang inosente about the world. Staying at the lakeside is really chill. Will totally recommend, especially it's for free. Share ko lang rin, dun sa mga biyahero or laagan na mga nanonood, did you know that applying for a visitor's visa here in New Zealand was easier for us compared to those Asian and other countries we already went to? Hindi ko lang alam, maybe because then may kapatid kami dito and may nag-sponsor, but it only took us 5 days at na-release na kaagad yung visa. Just beside the lake is a public playground. At alam nyo na, kapag may ticketing, playground talagang kasiyahan nila. So as adult, while nagpipicture-picture, naglalaro naman yung mga bata. Nakakatuwa talaga silang panoorin. Alam nyo ba guys, when these two meet, they were still babies, around 1-year-old pa lang sila. Ngayon, ang magpinsan, nasa 3 at 2 years old na. Kayang-kaya na magkaintindihan, nag-aaway na nga paminsan-minsan. But it really makes my heart so happy that they can bond and get to know each other. Nakakatuwa talaga maging bata guys, no? Walang problema. Laro lang ng laro. Kain, tulog. Sana bata na lang always.
Go, Jaden! Go, Jaden!
It's the water.
Yeah! Do you like it, Anya?
Yeah, I like the boat.
Do you like it, Jaden? Yes!
You wanna go back to the
Our family of 3 is so blessed and happy to be given this privilege to visit Ate's family here in New Zealand. And thank you for joining us in this journey and watching our videos. See you soon for more New Zealand vlogs.